ओ भाई अभी गया था.
So you see a lot of gravel around. भाई पेट्रोल चूस रहा है एकदम. 3 स्लैब बचा हुआ था खाली. फुल टैंक था, सिर्फ 3 स्लैब बचा हुआ था. नाइस प्लेस. अच्छा शेड है पूरा. Hey guys, welcome back. Another day, a new ride. We are once again at Hebbal Junction. Or generally this is a meetup point, so we start from here. We are going to Penukonda today. It's like 150 kilometers from here. So you can see many bikers. I mean, I didn't record that time. So where we used to start earlier, no? So what they have done, you can see they have constructed a whole road. This is a service lane now. 4 of us now. This is a new CBR that we have in our group, Rushank. Same bike, cosmetic change and the e-clutch. It's my bike. And that's again the Hayabusa, Ugrasen's. This comes with the e-clutch. Minor changes here. Also put the coil. It comes slightly different what I have. Then you have the WRS windscreen. So if you look at my bike, I have also put the coil here. And I put the MRI windscreen. Nice. Bike looks very fresh, no? Bit more edgy, looks sharp. And while if you look at this one, the headlights are different. It's more projected towards outside. Chalo, we'll start now and we'll be stopping at Nandi Upchar. We'll have breakfast, or either we'll decide. If not, we'll go to Samara Veg because we are riding to Penukonda. It's like, as I told you, 150 kilometers from Bangalore. So it might take 2 hours to reach there. So guys, we start now. This is once again the Hyderabad route. We'll be taking the same route. I'll start the vlog again once we meet Zoheb, so we can capture a bit of the route as well. Very beautiful. I mean, we have the highway almost. Ugrasen is saying hi to you. We have the highway almost until 140 kilometers. So guys, we have just reached Nandi Upchar. We're waiting for Zoheb over here and we're just outside. I mean, our guys are outside. Wow, look at my CBR. Anyways, all the bike looks beautiful, but just on the side stand it looks crazy. I'll just click a photo of it. So we are meeting Zoheb here. I'll just check out where is he exactly. I told him that we are waiting outside. I can see him. So that's Zoheb. So we have decided we will stop at Samara Veg for the breakfast. So it is something around 50 kilometers from here. So we'll see you there. बढ़ो आगे. because we just stopped for the fuel. I was shit scared. डीजल और पेट्रोल साथ में ही दे रहा है तो, एंड आई वांटेड पावर 95 ओनली. नो यू नीड फ्यूल. You need fuel.
Fuel, I have 200 left.
Huh?
200 left. So fuel, no? Yeah, I have 200. I can go for
200 range.
Yeah.
Okay. Mine was suddenly dropping.
Yeah?
It had only 3 slabs.
I think I'll have to fill while coming back.
While coming back.
Yeah.
That's why I was looking for a power 95.
So is it here?
Yeah, that is power 95 only. I was shit scared, man. They are keeping it with diesel.
Oh.
And I was still asking that guy, this is petrol only, right? भाई पेट्रोल चूस रहा है एकदम. 3 स्लैब बचा हुआ था खाली. फुल टैंक था, सिर्फ 3 स्लैब बचा हुआ था. 15 का माइलेज है. So guys, we just reached Samara's Veg. This is a vegetarian restaurant near to the second toll. I mean, basically after this toll you have Andhra Pradesh. This is the border, and we have just parked our bikes here. So I'm not sure how far is this place. I think this would be 90 kilometers from our place. We'll just go inside, see, have some good South Indian breakfast. Feeling hungry. We started at 6, almost 7:30 now. Nice place. अच्छा है, shade है पूरा. So guys, our food has come. I've just ordered idli vada, and our guys are having dosa. This place is good for food. I've tried it earlier. यहाँ खाया पहले? You had here? It's good. मैंने चाइनीज ट्राई किया था. अच्छा था खाना. BMW का ग्रुप राइड आता है ना. मैं R15 है. इडली इज गुड, सॉफ्ट है, अच्छा है. हाउ इज डोसा एंड ऑल? हाउ इज डोसा? गुड. Just having coffee. This is also good. First time, I don't prefer coffee every time outside. I'll have this at home and I'll come. But since it's a bit long distance today, so we're sort of having the coffee. So guys, we just had the breakfast. Now we are starting again for. Now we'll directly stop at Penukonda. I think it would be another 40 kilometers until the top. And guys are almost ready. I'm just warming up the bike. And the weather, morning it was cool, pleasant. Now you can see it's terribly hot. Too much heat. Chalo, we'll catch up there. So guys, we have just reached Penukonda. I've just taken a right turn from the main highway, and that's where we are right now. I'll start the vlog again once we go towards the top. Shall see you there. Our guys have already started, so I'll just quickly catch them. Here we are, Penukonda Fort. Wow, it looks amazing. There's a lake there. Oh, nice. Good wide corners. I'm not taking that much room. I don't know how the asphalt is. I mean, it looks good only, but it's not a trap. But anyway, I'll try to be fast and just go nicely tucked in. Guys are making videos, no? So that is one issue, that's why I don't want to go crazy.
So you see a lot of gravel around. We are almost on the top. I don't know if our guys are here. थोड़ा क्विक रन बीच में व्हील मार रहे थे लोग. So we have reached finally. This is the place. I've done one more vlog. I was on my R15. Today I just sort of getting the CBR. But yeah, corners were good. It was quick. Not leaning much because these are the road kind of thing, no, so you can crash. But yeah, did some good.
Bye bye. Just the hilltop. I mean, if you have seen my previous vlog, you would have seen that. So just a lineup here, and we'll just do some down run from the top until downhill, and we'll wrap up. It's more of like, just for if you are like you love to ride around countryside and take some mountain twisties. This is a good place to be. There are some old temples, I think, more like a ruins of some portion of Lipakshi, because Lipakshi is very close from here.
So there's a panoramic view for you, Penukonda, and you can see it's all Andhra Pradesh. That side you have Karnataka. वापस चलो, you guys will start first, okay? You guys start first, then I'll come. तुम भी पहले निकल जाओ, फिर मैं ओवरटेक करता हूँ. सुबह अभी एक अपहिल एक शॉट ले रहा हूँ. people are talking more about the e-clutch bike. People are like, no, they're always amazed to see the e-clutch version. It's like a, if you don't use the clutch, it's like Activa. क्या करना? So guys, we are now heading back. 1 minute. We are now heading back. So we just had one round of uphill, and I did one stop here as well. So now we'll head back. We'll stop somewhere for juice and all. It's tiring. It's hot, humid. Everything is there. The weather is crazy, man. Morning it was cold. So we'll catch up. I'll try to capture a few more shots. So guys, we have just come to the Seoul store. It's a Korean store over here. We'll have just some juice and all.
मिनट मिनट आपका
कान में जैसा हो रहा है. We'll wait outside. We'll sit here. और बैठते हैं. हाँ है तो इधर बैठते हैं. अभी यहाँ बैठ रहे हैं हम लोग. And finally videos exchange होंगे.
That is 256 GB or how much?
256 only. क्या? नहीं चला रहा. थकान लग रहा, बहुत भारी है मेरे लिए वो.
हाँ ठीक
तो गाइस अभी हम लोग फ्यूल भरने के लिए रुके थे. बस अब घर पहुँचना है. गर्मी इतनी हो गई है कि सब काफ़ी परेशान है. उधर से मेरे को बोल रहा था मेरी बाइक चला लो. मैं बोला भाई मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, ये भारी लग रही है मेरे को. चलो सर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. मैं ब्लॉग यही एड कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि अब सीधे घर जाएंगे यहाँ.